Tesla has reduced the monthly lease rate for the Model 3 long range in the US by 9.1% to $399 per month, which was previous $439 with a down payment of $2,999 per month. So the 2024 Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive version is now available with a $299 per month lease as on Sunday 5 May. While looking on this lease rate, this is their way of creating $30,000 car today. This is said by Patreon, who is founder and CEO of Copilot, an AI-assisted car shopping app. He says this is a way for them to effectively get into the cheaper car market.